you.
Oh.
I love you. You're my best friend.
How did he?
We are the bestest friends in the whole
How
wide
did he
world.
spike his hair up?
He spikes his hair up because he likes that. He wants to look pretty. You guys are bestest friends in the whole wide world.
Nobody.
He's not biting. He's petting you. He thinks you're the pet.
Oh, that's so
He's
sweet,
your pet.
Cohen.
My
Aw.
pet made you his
Aw.
pet. He even bit me when I tried to get him away from you. He loves you. Can you believe that? This bird loves no one. You're a special person.
You're doing good, Kelley.
And he's petting you. He thinks you're the pet. He's like, oh, you feel better? When really, usually it's the person going, hey, I feel feathers.
Oh.
Are you good, or do you want me to get him away from you? I'll get him away from you if you want me to. Or do you think it's fun?
Fun.
Alright, just stay still, you know? I mean, you can move, but don't move like super fast. You know what I'm saying?
Would it
Feel
still
like it-
stand on Cohen if he was standing up? If Cohen was standing up?
Don't know. All I know is right now he's being super sweet to him because Cohen's being super...
So that might happen if Cohen stands up and you sat it on
He's
it.
just being super mellow and super nice. So the
So
birds,
if I
like,
had a parallel, the pirate had it. He's treating Cohen like the way he
I'm
wants
the
to be
only
treated.
I'm the only person that he will let be nice to in the hat. I'm
Hey,
not-
he's treating Cohen the way he wants to be treated.
yeah, it's cute, man. It's awesome.
So if I
Mr.Mean's got a new friend, man. You got a new friend too.
Cohen,
That
you're
is-
doing good.
He's
Just
petting
take from
you.
your
He
brother.
loves you, so he's petting you. You don't have to pet
So
him.
if
He's
I
like,
was-
I'll pet you,
So if
man.
I had a stick on my leg, I'll be a pirate and a hook on my thing.
All you need is have him on like
And a
a
pirate
cracker.
hat.
He just needs a cracker and an eye patch.
Yeah, that.
Cracker and an eye patch. You'd be like the best super bird ever. Show me, man. Yo ho ho in a bottle of yum.
Pretty bird, pretty bird. Lovey, 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 lovey.
He's like, I know I'm pretty, man. I'm like, hey, where can we
Lovey, 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 lovey.
where can we just find some gold?
You wanna find some? Get that love. Come on, get it. Like it really fast. Oh, he's after the love, ain't he, Mom?
You let me know if he starts to like pinch you, okay? He shouldn't, but if he does, let me know and I'll take care of it. You don't touch him, okay?
He just licked Cohen's shirt.
He liked your shirt, man. He was wanting my fingers away so he could be on your shirt.
Hey, put him on my pants. I want.